Hello and welcome student. Our today's topic is advantages of DBMS. Okay, first of all DBMS means database management system. So one by one we will read the advantages of DBMS. So DBMS is a access file. Okay, this is a database. Okay, and if we are managing this, if we are organizing this, then we will call it DBMS. So first is a DBMS provide the user with efficient and reliable method of data retrieval. Data retrieval means you can easily search your data with the help of unique code. If you know the roll number of a particular student, you can easily search the data of that student or that employee. If you know the unique ID of that particular person, you can easily search the data of that particular person. Second, it reduces the data redundancy. Redundancy means duplication of data. Means if I will write this data two times, it will not enter the same data two times. Okay, so it will reduce the data redundancy. If anyone have same name but different personal details, so each person has given the unique ID. Okay, by ID you can identify which person it is. Okay, if they have same name, so it eliminate the multiple copies of the same data. Okay, third one, it increase the efficiency, speed and flexibility in searching and accessing information, thus saving time and energy. You can easily search your data with the help of query. With the help of query you can easily search the data, or with the help of unique ID you can easily search the data. If there is 200 students, 200 roll numbers are written here. So if you know the roll number, that roll number 15, so you will easily go in roll number 15 and search your data. Okay, now next point is DBMS facilitates sharing of data among different user based on their individual need. If you want to share the data, you can easily share your data according to your need. Suppose you want only data of two students, roll number 1 and 2, you can easily share that. If you want the student data of student having name starting with A digit, alphabet A, so you can share limited data also or whole data also. According to the need you can share the data. In a DBMS, the data administration has a complete control over the database. It ensures that data is accessed only by the authorized user. Means if you want to see this data, you can even apply the password in your database, in password in your database, so that no one can easily access this. Okay, so you can that data is more secure in MS Access. Okay, that data is more secure in MS Access. Only authorized user can see this data or edit this data. Now, and last advantage is you can set the data according to your choice. Suppose I will add one more field, that is number. If I will add one more data, number. So okay, now how you will, now your last advantage is you can set the value that number should be between 0 to 100. Okay, number should be between 0 to 100. So how we will do it, I am giving you a simple hint of that. You have to go in view tab. In view tab there is design view, and then in design view you can see your field names: roll number, name, class, address, date of birth and number. Number must be, number must be of number type. Data type means what type of data it will store. It is auto number, text, number, text. It will store only text. It will store data, date and time. It will store number. Okay, number will store number. In number, here one option is written validation rule. In validation rule, what you have to do, you have to click on three dots and you have to write number must be less than 100. here it is number. Okay, number must be less than 100. When you press OK, now again you have to first save it, control plus S, then go in data sheet view. Now if I will insert 101, so it will not accept that value, it will give me a message. Okay, so I have to write number less than 100, so I will write 99, so it will easily accept it. If I will write 78, it will also accept it, but if I will write 201, it will not accept it. Okay, less than 100 I have written, so less than 100, not 100. So if you will write any minus number also, it will also accept it. Why? Because I have written less than 100. So for that we will discuss that how we will set the number between 0 to 100. We will see that in further videos. Okay, when this topic will come, I will explain you better on that topic.